Guys, welcome back to another shorts video, and I will be showing you what I think is the most OP new item. Look at this. You know how I got chocolate on this thing? I used the mutation spray. Look how many. Wait, where is it? Look at this. Like, I swear, bro. Do you see that? Celestial, Shock, Disco, Chocolate, Heavenly, Honey Glazed, and Frozen. Last time I could not get specific enchants on this. I mean mutations. Why do I keep saying enchants? Now, this is the best way to use your sprays. First of all, you need a spray. The most OP I think right now is the chocolate spray with how easy to get it is. You just need cleaning spray 15 million, a cacao, and 20 honey. Next, first of all, oh wait, don't mind my friend, he's trying to trade me some items. Now, what I want you to do, or you should only use sprays on large plants. Like last time when I crafted at least like sprays, 3 sprays I think, or 2, I wasted it on small plants. And you know how much, because I forgot that chocolate only, it only doubles the plant's value. Look at this chocolate grape. If you get more mutations or more mutation sprays to be exact on that huge fruit, you will earn tons of shekels. So I recommend you to use your sprays on bigger plants. What is this? Oh, that's happening. I recommend you use the chocolate sprinkler. It's the most affordable one. The most affordable spray is the chocolate spray. Almost anyone can afford it. And yeah, only use it on big plants such as this mango, that grape. You can also use it on rare plants to even boost the value. Well, bye. See you in the next video.